Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how to add subscribe button to your YouTube video by using the InShot editor. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up your InShot editor. Then you have to click on the video, and after that you have to click on new. And then you have to select your video in which you want to add the subscribe button. And after that you have to click on text. And as you guys can see that my video has been appeared, then you have to stop the video at the place where you want to add the subscribe button. For example, I want to add here, and after that you have to click on PIP, and then you have to select the subscribe button GIF, which you can download from YouTube or any other website for free. After selecting the GIF, now we want to remove its green background. We will click on chroma, and then we will select this green color, and as you guys can see that green color has been removed. And then we will adjust the strength according to our preference so that all the green color has been removed. So I have adjusted to 66%, and then I have to click on tick. And you can also select the volume of this animation according to your preference, and then you can also adjust it where you want to place it. For example, if I want to place it here, I will place it here, and then I will click on tick. And as you guys can see that the subscribe button has been posted on my video. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.